I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I've worked at IRS for 10 years. Yes, I was the IRS, so the things I tell you are very important to you. I've been in private tax defense for 41 years, been on many major news stations. Just look at my website at 777irs.com. I've been on ABC, The Briefing Room, Fox, Business, I don't know, News Nation, Newsmax, bunch of them. Anyway, what I want to talk to you today about is navigating IRS debt if you're drowning in it. What is IRS going to do when in closing your case? So, as a former agent, I have to close your case. I just can't keep it in my inventory. You got to get rid of it somehow. So, how is IRS going to get rid of your case? That's the thing. So, if you're drowning in this debt, here's the process. IRS wants a financial statement. With that they have two different financial statements. Service Center will use one, revenue officers, which I would use another one. Revenue officers use a much more complicated one, the 433A. The Service Center uses the 433F. What they do, they ask you to fill out the financial statement. You should download them, be familiar with them, because you're going to have to someone's going to fill that out for you one day. And then at the end of that time, IRS is going to look at it. They're going to ask you for documentation to support it. Bank statements, pay stub. They want to make sure what you put down was true and correct. So they're going to want a copy of your expenses as well, just to make sure everything is accurate. Once they have that, they simply make a determination. One of three things is going to happen on your case. You're either going to be put in hardship, currently not collectible, boom, payment agreement, or you can settle your debt through the offer and compromise program. The offer and compromise program, settle my debt. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Only 13,000 people in all in the United States got their case settled because not that many people qualify for it. So a simple review of your financial statement will let you know what program, in fact, you're eligible for. So if you don't owe a lot of money, I mean, if you owe let's say around 25 or 30, you can probably do this yourself by calling IRS. If you owe more money, you really should hire a professional, because there's ways you can help buff up the financial statement, make a few changes to make it look better in your favor when you call IRS. So you can certainly do that. So if you don't have a lot of money and you're just making enough income to get by, call IRS. They'll probably put you in a hardship. Meantime, if you have any questions and you want to resolve this IRS debt, you can give me a call or whoever. I've been doing this a really long time. So anyway, but remember, your current financial statement will determine the three ways IRS is going to close your case with documentation. And make sure all your tax returns are filed. IRS is going to want that. Give me a subscription. I tell you everything you want. Don't be that afraid of IRS. IRS, for the most part, as long as you have your expenses, is reasonable. So if you call me, I answer all my calls. Thank you so much.